Your sketch of y equals to 1 over x squared should show the characteristic of the graph being symmetrical about the y-axis. In other words, you need not have the same scale for both axes in order to show the symmetry about the y-axis. Since y is equal to 1 over x squared, the curve will always be above the x-axis for all values of x. It also has two asymptotes, x equals to 0 and y equals to 0. However, the denominator is the square of x. Hence, for x less than 1, although the curve gets nearer and nearer to the y-axis, the distance between the curve and the y-axis will be wider compared to the distance between the curve and the x-axis when the curve on this part gets nearer and nearer to the x-axis. When we focus on the graph that is in this quadrant, the graph cannot be symmetrical about the line y equals to x. Similarly, the graph on this quadrant for x less than 0 cannot be symmetrical about the line y equals to negative x. You need not follow my way of sketching as long as your sketch shows the characteristic of y equals to 1 over x squared. Next, to help myself to ensure the symmetry of the curve about the y-axis, I'm going to have some small dots that equal distance about the y-axis to help myself in the sketching. After you're done, check that your sketch is symmetrical about the y-axis. For x greater than 0, this part of the graph cannot be symmetrical about the line y equals to x. For x less than 0, This part of the graph cannot be symmetrical about the line y equals to negative x.